Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TT's Footprints. Today's recipe is not very commonly heard of, which is the mushroom dum biryani. This is a fantastic recipe and you will definitely enjoy making it and having it too. If you are new to my channel and this is your first visit, hello and welcome. I do post such simple and interesting recipes every week. Do subscribe to my channel and join me in my journey. To begin with, we will start with cooking the rice till half done. Wash and soak the basmati rice for half an hour. Bring water to boil in a pan. Take care to see that the water is sufficient enough to submerge the rice. Add a handful of mint and coriander leaves and salt to taste. When the water begins to boil, add in the washed rice. Take care to cook the rice only till half done or for 3 to 5 minutes. Once done, drain it and keep it aside. Now we start with the mushroom gravy. If you're good at multitasking, then you can have two flames on, one for the rice and one for the mushroom gravy. I have used ghee for this recipe as it gives a nutty, buttery taste and is also rich in antioxidants, vitamins and healthy fats. Add in the whole spices and fry it till you get a good aroma. Then add in the sliced onion and fry it well. When it starts changing color from a light pink to a brown, add in the ginger garlic paste. I have used a 60-40 ratio of garlic and ginger for this recipe. Ginger garlic paste is one of the crucial ingredients for any biryani as it enhances its taste. Fry for some time and then add in the green chilies. Add in the chopped tomatoes and let it cook. While it is cooking, we'll add in the turmeric powder and the chili powder. Mix well and add in the water. Leave it to boil and in the meantime we'll get the mushrooms ready. Wash the mushrooms well and if they are too big, just chop it into half. When the gravy comes to a boil, add in the mushrooms, mix it and let it cook for a minute or two. Add in the curds or yogurt. Add in the garam masala and salt and mix it well. Leave it to cook till all the flavors are well combined. This mushroom gravy is very tasty and goes well with rotis. Now that the mushrooms are done, we will start the final garnishing before the dum. Add in the half-cooked basmati rice on the top of the mushrooms and spread it evenly. Sprinkle chopped mint and coriander leaves, ghee and kevra water on the top. You can also add fried onions and roasted nuts at this stage. Place a tawa on the gas and then place this vessel on the top of it. Cover with a lid and seal all sides with dough or foil paper and leave it to cook for half an hour. Remember to keep the flame to the lowest. Leave it to rest for 10 minutes before mixing up. You will observe that each grain of rice is separate, and as we have cooked it on dum, all the flavors have been trapped within. Gently mix and serve hot. If you enjoy watching my videos and find them helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new notifications. Also do share them with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.